Firstly, install the Autosampler on the AAS according to our manual or video instructions. Go to File and System Setting. Then tick the Use Graphite Sampler. Then press OK. Next are the normal operations. Press Technique and OK. Select Element Plumb Burn and Graphite method. Then confirm and enter conditional settings. This is a 2-in-1 model, so there are options for flame and graphite. Press OK. Set the testing parameters. Select peak height and auto working mode. You can set other parameters according to your purpose. Press Set and go to wavelength scanning and wait until it's done. Then go to Standard Sample Setting. If the sample needs pre-processing, then you can set it to. Adjust the sample needle. Firstly, tick the cross. The sampler shows up. Then press Adjust. Here you can adjust the angle of the graphite tube and its depth, height, sampling position, and cleaning position. After pressing each menu, the needle will go to the tube automatically. Then you can press the up or down arrow to adjust its position. Press More Adjustments for more precise adjustment. After all adjustments are finished, then we can do the measurements. Click Measure and set the parameters like work type, cleaning method, syringe volume and injection volume, starting sample number and end sample number. If you need to add modifier to the sample, then you can select modifier and sample working mode and enter the corresponding data for the modifier. You can also set the dilution or enrichment for the sample. In the extent, you can set the automatic dilution for the standard curve. Every time you finish the settings, you need to click Reset Sample Position, then press OK. Press Start. The Autosampler will work to build the standard curve and measure samples. Then wait until the process is finished.